Hello and welcome to EGMG's product highlight. This month we are focusing on A Sanitary. Now, if you are interested in a $10 off coupon, please click in the description below the EGMG newsletter, and there you will find everything you would need to receive $10 off your A Sanitary order. So, quick introduction, my name is Jessica Whiteknight. Now let's begin. First off, why A Sanitary products? Well, A Sanitary believes in 4 key values. Reliability. They are committed to approaching every customer request with excellent problem-solving skills. Quality. They believe in providing products that allow end users to maintain product and process quality. Customer care, which is very important. A Sanitary believes in friendly and helpful customer care that is the first step to customer satisfaction. Lastly, speed, which is always very important. A Sanitary is committed to maintaining the fastest turnaround times in the industry. So, A Sanitary has a few products to offer. They were founded in 2004 as a division of the Ace Manufacturing Company. That is when the initial product line of Flex-Rite hoses became available. Now to this day, there are many different hose options in the Flex-Rite series. There's silicone, PVC, there's rubber, industrial, and many more. Today, we are going to talk about the rubber series. And the first hose in this series is the RSD. This is a suction and discharge hose. This hose is the most versatile. It can be used for transferring, for CIP applications. It meets all the 3A, USDA, and FDA standards. It has the capability of pumping 150 psi. It can handle those high temperature products, and it won't impart any taste or odor. This is a dual wire helix, so it is pretty durable. The next hose we have is the RCR. This is a crush-resistant hose, but it provides consistent flow. The monofilament helixes means it's going to spring back. Anytime it's kinked or bent, it will come back to its original shape. This hose, again, meets all the 3A standards, the USDA requirements, and the FDA compliance. It's excellent for those high traffic areas where it might be getting walked on repeatedly or even being ran over slightly. It will last for sure. This hose is bacteria resistant. It's not going to produce any taste or odors, and the RCRC has 2 multi-strand copper wires that's going to provide a positive grounding where there might be some static discharge in the area. Okay, let's talk about the Beverage transfer hose, the RBT. This is a heavy-duty discharge hose, but it also has suction capabilities. It meets the 3A standards, the USDA, and FDA standards as well. It has a bounce-back design, so it'll be safe from any kinking or flattening in those high traffic areas. Now, we have our wine and spirits hoses. These are going to be used in any manufacturing place that will be creating beverages, wineries, breweries. This hose is an exterior polymer blend. It's going to be wide and smooth. It ensures low friction and ease of movement. That extra flex allows it to be wear resistant. Again, meets those 3A, USDA, and FDA compliant standards, and it provides a taste and odor-free hose, and it's easy to clean up. We're going to move on to our washdown hoses. Now, A Sanitary's washdown hoses come in 4 different colors. You can get white, black, and yellow. These are designed for cleanup duties in those non-oily applications, such as dairies, creameries, breweries, food and beverage manufacturing plants. They're capable of handling up to 275-degree water. They meet all the standards, and they're a chemically resistant hose. They're going to be wrapped in a covered construction that'll provide excellent resistance to any cuts or abrasions that might happen as you move this hose across the floor. Now, we have our dairy line of hoses. These are the ADL hoses. This tubing is a plasticizer-free. It contains no DHP materials, and it is produced with no animal-derived lubricants, which could sometimes contaminate your milk products. It's a third lighter than the silicone hoses, and it provides extreme flexibility even in those sub-zero conditions. Now, let's talk about Sealrite. A Sanitary offers a Sealrite brand. Sealrite is radiocrimp couplers, and they are designed in the purest unitized assemblies available. Their external crimp design provides 360 degrees of fixed seal, which eliminates any possibility of wicking between the hose and the coupler. This radial crimp technology will not interfere, and it will allow for internal services to be coupling to the stem. This hose offers a full flow smooth bore transition, so it's going to eliminate any bacteria that might collect in the crevices or the edges. So there are a few Sealrite options available. You can get some reusable fittings, the industrial fittings, sanitary fittings. We're going to talk about the reusable fittings first. These come in 3 pieces. They're easy to assemble. They just slide right onto your Flex-Rite hoses, such as the silicone or the PVC hoses. They're going to fit most hose types. And they're, again, 3A approved. They might be used for anything in biotech, high purity water, pharmaceutical, food and beverage. Now, let's talk about Ace Sanitary's hose assemblies. AGMG has actually created a hose assembly specification sheet so that we can easily help you find the hose assembly that meets your needs, get it processed, ordered, and to your plant very quickly. So first, I want to say thank you for taking time to listen to our presentation today. How can we at EGMG help you get some Ace Sanitary products into your manufacturing plant that's going to extend the life of your hoses, your couplers, and your assemblies? Thank you very much and have a great day.